Well, here we are, VW Big House VW rat rod. Things aren't going exactly to plan today. Still got some work done. I managed to get this plate all welded in, so that's there. The problem being, started cleaning all up with the grinder, and poof, big black smoke, and it locked up solid in my hands. So that's grinder number 2 this car's eaten now. But what can you say? We're getting there. Get this all tidied up, get a new grinder. Probably gonna have to wait till after my holiday now. So just over a week away I'm off. But it's nice having a whole floor in one side. Got a good clean up in a minute. Everything started cleaning up today. But it's, as we say, it's getting there. There's the offending grinder. It's died. Oh well, onwards and upwards. We'll get there.